Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Who is the authentic Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom? The answer to this question depends on who you ask. If you ask some members of the Ologbotsere family that owns the Ologbotsere chieftaincy stool led by Pa Hickson Oporokun, the traditional head and Olaribi, they will tell you that is Chief Ayiri Emami. However, if you ask the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, and his chiefs, they will tell you it's Chief Oma Ayewuma. This rather confusing and controversial situation has left the Warri Kingdom in a traditional and cultural impasse, which, as it appears, can only be resolved by a law court of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. After 30 years without an Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom, Chief Ayiri Emami was in 2017 installed as Ologbotsere of Warri by the 20th Olu of Warri Kingdom, Ogiame Kenwole I. This was after a rather painstaking process of scrutiny and several interviews by the leadership of the Ologbotsere descendants, who recommended him to the monarch for installation. The Ologbotsere chieftaincy stool is the most important in Warri Kingdom. Apart from being the most senior chief and traditional prime minister, the Ologbotsere also has the traditional responsibility of midwifing the process for the selection and coronation of the new monarch for Warri Kingdom whenever the need arises. This was the situation in which Chief Ayiri found himself when in December of 2020, Ogiame Kenwole I surprisingly joined his ancestors. Chief Ayiri's insistence on sticking to the 1979 edict governing the selection process of an Olu, which did not favor Ogiame Atuashe III, set him on a warpath with the monarch. After his coronation, Ogiame Atuashe III took deliberate steps to bring down Chief Ayiri. In October 2021, the Olu speaking through the Ogwa Olusan of Warri Kingdom, Chief Mene Brown, announced the derobing of Chief Ayiri as Ologbotsere of Warri and the abolishment of the title. Not satisfied with that singular action, Ogiame Atuashe III invited Ayiri to the palace for peace talks and reconciliation, but ended up publicly derobing Ayiri a second time and reversing himself to install another chief as the Ologbotsere of Warri. Honorable Pulen Tonwaro, the Oloriebi of the Agbeju family, a sub-family of the Ologbotsere descendants, says the insincere action of the Olu was a disgrace to the entire Ologbotsere family.
Asking our chief, the chief representing the entire Ologbotsere family, to kneel down in the public. It has never been done before. And, well, because of the crowd and all that, the chief knelt down. We, the leaders, the elders of the family, we thought they had come there to settle this matter once and for all. But to our greatest surprise, another person was installed right there, which has never been done. There is a chamber in the palace where chiefs are installed. It's really very, very strange to me. I have never seen. This is my 87th year on earth. I have never witnessed a thing like that. The disgrace they gave to the Ologbotsere family. Perhaps that was the annoyance that triggered the whole thing, and the leaders met and said, look, it appears this matter can only be resolved in the court of law.
The Oloriebi of the Ologbotsere family, Pa Hickson Oporokun, who hosted a meeting of the family in his Saple home in Delta State last week, says, as far as the family is concerned, Chief Ayiri remains the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom.
The Olu, as the Apamasi of Shekiri, we were not able to tell him that day that what he's doing was wrong. But now, I think we have put this matter into court to make him know that that decision should be changed. The only person we know and we have approved, we the Ologbotsere descendants, approved, agreed upon is Chief Ayiri Emami.
Paoporokun's position is echoed by another Ishekiri son, Honorable Michael Didion, popularly known as Ejele.
But as far as I'm concerned, Ayiri is the due Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom. The message to Shekiri is that they should not relent. They should fight for their rights and make sure that Ayiri remain the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom.
Some princes of the Guinewa One ruling house also attended the Ologbotsere family meeting as observers. Prince Yemi Emiko says the Ologbotsere family decision to go to court against the decision of the Olu is well within their rights.
I'm not a member of the Ologbotsere family. I am a prince of Warri Kingdom. I know that there's a process for installing Ologbotsere. It's a family title, and the family has a right to nominate somebody to the Olu, and the family is complaining. As a matter of fact, I hear they have even gone to court to say that what is going on is wrong. It's not in alignment with known processes. So I think the family has a right so to do.
While reacting to the attendance of the Ologbotsere family meeting by some princes of Warri Kingdom, the Ogwa Olusan of Warri Kingdom, Chief MAMODE Brown, says princes in Warri Kingdom have no locus on chieftaincy matters.
Whatever Prince Yemi Emiko said, in fact, he has no locus as far as chieftaincy is concerned in the Warri Kingdom. Even princes, when they gather together, they do not, as princes, have a voice to determine who is a chief and who is not a chief.
Chief MAMODE Brown also debunked the Ologbotsere descendants' claim of ownership of the Ologbotsere chieftaincies too.
There is no family that owns a chieftaincy position. All chieftaincy positions are established by the king, and the king reserves the right to choose whoever would be the one to be conferred with such title.
As the feud between Chief Ayiri and Ogame Atuwashe III rages on, the Ishekiri nation remains trapped in the web of traditional crisis as two Ishekiri sons currently lay claim to one title, the Ologbotsere of Warri Kingdom. The Olu of Warri, Ogame Atuwashe III, is also regarded by Ishekiris as Afomasin, the king whose pronouncements cannot be challenged. However, the Ologbotsere family, in going to court, has challenged the Olu's pronouncement on the installation of Chief Omar Eyewoma as Ologbotsere of Warri, thus shattering the age-long myth that the Olu of Warri is Afomasin.
Inside the Niger Delta,